Hi everyone! In this video, we will focus on dividing polynomials using long division and synthetic division. Let us recall the following when dividing polynomials using long division. First, we need to arrange the polynomials in descending order of the exponent. Second, if a term is missing, insert 0 as a placeholder. Let's start with our first example. Let's say we have x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. We need to rewrite this one in the long division form. So we have to write x plus 2 outside and our x squared plus 5x plus 6 inside. Let's erase this one, for this is the space for our answer. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to consider the first term of both the dividend and the divisor. So we have x squared divided by x is equal to x. Simply we subtract the exponent. We write the answer here. Then after getting the answer, we distribute the answer on the outside and write the product here. So x times x is equal to x squared. X times 2 is equal to 2x. We need to write a parenthesis and a subtraction sign here. We proceed on subtraction. So x squared minus x squared is equal to 0. 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. 6 minus none is simply 6, so we bring down 6. Okay, now let's repeat the same process. Consider the first term of both. Now we have 3x divided by x is equal to 3. Then write the answer here. Afterwards, distribute the answer. So 3 times x is equal to 3x. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Do not forget the parentheses and the negative sign for subtraction. So 3x minus 3x is equal to 0. 6 minus positive 6 is equal to 0 as well. So there are no remainder. Therefore, our final answer or the solution is equal to x plus 3. Let's have another example. Let's work on with 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus 6x plus 10 divided by x minus 2. Okay, rewrite this in the long division format. So we have x minus 2, then 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus 6x plus 10. Okay, let's have space for our final answer. Consider the first term. So we divide 2x cubed by x. The answer is 2x squared. Then distribute 2x squared and write the answer here. So 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times negative 2 is negative 4x squared. Do not forget our parentheses and the subtraction sign. We subtract 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is equal to 0. 8x squared minus negative 4x squared is the same with 8x squared plus 4x squared. That is equal to 12x squared. Now bring down, there is a positive sign here, I'm sorry. Bring down negative 6x plus 10. Okay, now Repeat the same process. Consider the first term, which is 12x squared divided by the first term here, which is x. Now, the answer for this one is equal to 12x. So, write the answer here. After getting the answer, distribute 12x times x is equal to 12x squared. Then 12x minus 2 is equal to negative 24x. Now, write the parentheses, then subtract. Okay, 12x squared minus 12x squared is equal to 0. Now, negative 6x minus negative 24x is the same with negative 6x plus 24x. So, the answer here is 18x. Then, bring down 10. Now, let's repeat the same process. So, we have 18x divided by x. The answer is simply 18. Then, distribute 18. 18 times x is equal to 18x. 18 times negative 2 is negative 36. Then, subtract. Write the parentheses in the subtraction sign. Now, 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Positive 10 minus negative 36 is the same with positive 10 plus 36, which is equal to 46. Now, we have a remainder. This is called a remainder. Now, this remainder will be added on our final answer. So, we will write it here, but we need to indicate it as a fraction of this one. So, we're gonna write positive 46 over x minus 2. So, therefore, this is the solution for our example. 2x squared plus 12x plus 18 plus 46 over x minus 2 is our answer for 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus 6x plus 10 divided by x minus 2. For our third example, we are going to use 6x raised to 4 minus 9x squared plus 18 divided by x minus 3. As we said a while ago, if there is a missing term, we need to include 0 as a placeholder. And for our given, we have a missing term here. I mean, two missing terms. The first one is 0x cubed, the term with x cubed, and then the other one is x. So we need to include that when we rewrite the given. Okay, so let's rewrite the given using the long division process. Okay, so this one, x minus 3 is outside, and this one will be written inside. So 6x raised to 4. We add this one, the missing term, plus 0x cubed. Then continue, negative 9x squared. Another missing term, which is 0x, kasi wala naman, plus 18. Okay, now let's proceed on the subtraction process. I should say the long division. Long division. Okay, so let's consider the first term of both. So we have 6x raised to 4, and then the other one is x. If we divide this, the answer is 6x raised to 3. Simply subtract the exponent. After getting the answer, we are going to distribute it to x minus 3. Okay, so 6x cubed times x is equal to 6x raised to 4. Now, 6x cubed times negative 3 is negative 18x cubed. Now, let's proceed on subtraction by writing the negative sign and the parentheses. Now, 6x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 4 is 0. Positive 0x cubed minus negative 18x cubed is the same with 0x cubed plus 18x cubed, which is equal to 18x cubed. Now, let's bring this 3 down. So, negative 9x squared plus 0x plus 18. Now, let's repeat the same process. Consider the first term. So we have 18x cubed divided by the first term of the other one. So let's subtract the exponent. The answer is 18x squared. After getting 18x squared, we distribute it again. So 18x squared times x is equal to 18x cubed. Then 18x squared times negative 3 is equal to negative 54x squared. Then we subtract again the parenthesis and the subtraction sign. So subtract 18x cubed minus 18x cubed is 0. Negative 9x squared minus negative 54x squared is the same with negative 9x squared plus 54x squared, which is equal to 45x squared. After that, we bring down 0x down and positive 18 down as well. Okay, next. Repeat the same process. Consider the first term again. So we have 45x squared divided by x is equal to 45. X. I forgot the x. Okay, so 45x times x is equal to 45x squared. 45x times negative 3 is equal to negative 135x. Then we subtract again. So the answer is 45x squared minus 45x squared is 0. Positive 0x minus negative 135x is equal to positive 135x. Bring down 18. Okay, for the last one, consider the first term, which is 135x divided by x is equal to 135. After getting 135, we multiply 135 by x. It will become 135x. Then 135 times 3 is equal to, or negative 3 is equal to negative 405. Then we subtract again. So 135x minus 135x is 0. Now positive 18 minus negative 405 is the same with positive 18 plus 405. That is equal to positive 423. So we have a remainder here. This is our remainder. Now our remainder will be added to our final answer. So we are going to write positive 423 over the term outside, which is x minus 3. So therefore, this is the solution for our problem 6x raised to 4 plus 0x cubed minus 9x squared plus 0x plus 18 divided by x minus